Imagine creating a fertilizer so concentrated that just a small amount can transform your garden. This powerful liquid will give your plants a nutrient boost like no other, ensuring they grow healthy and strong. By the time you're done, you'll have a dark, rich concentrate that's packed with the goodness your plants need, all made from something as simple as the unwanted weeds from your garden. This homemade fertilizer will be the secret to your garden's success. To start making your concentrated weed tea, gather a variety of weeds from your garden. The more types you collect, the richer the mix will be, as different plants bring different nutrients to the table. Chop the weeds into smaller pieces to help them break down more quickly. Place these chopped weeds into a 5-gallon bucket. The smaller pieces will decompose faster and release nutrients more effectively. Once the bucket is filled with chopped weeds, place a heavy object, like a brick or a large stone, on top. This weight helps press down the weeds, keeping them submerged as they break down. After you've added the weight, cover the bucket with a lid. Make sure the lid is not tightly sealed. It needs to be loose enough to allow gases to escape as the weeds decompose. Now, set the bucket aside in a shady spot and leave it for about 4 weeks. During this time, the weeds will decompose, and a small amount of liquid will form at the bottom of the bucket. After 4 weeks, you'll notice that the weeds have decomposed significantly, and at the bottom of the bucket, there will be a dark, thick liquid. This is your concentrated weed tea. Carefully extract this liquid into a jar or bottle, and you'll immediately notice how dense and heavy it is. This concentrate is incredibly powerful, so you only need to use a small amount to make a big difference. When you're ready to use it in your garden, mix just 1 small cup of the concentrate into a 5-liter watering can filled with water. Stir it well, and then water your plants with this nutrient-rich solution. You'll soon see the results as your plants respond to the boost in nutrients. The benefits of using this concentrated weed tea are numerous. Firstly, it's an excellent way to recycle weeds, turning a garden nuisance into a valuable resource. Instead of throwing weeds away, you're using them to feed your plants, which is both environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Secondly, this fertilizer is packed with nutrients. As the weeds break down, they release a variety of essential nutrients into the tea, including nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, which are crucial for plant growth. These nutrients help your plants develop stronger roots, lush foliage, and better resistance to pests and diseases. Another benefit is the microbial life that develops during the decomposition process. This liquid is teeming with beneficial microbes that help improve soil health. When you water your plants with weed tea, you're also introducing these microbes into your soil, enhancing its structure and fertility. Lastly, using this homemade fertilizer allows you to avoid synthetic chemicals. Commercial fertilizers often contain harsh chemicals that can harm beneficial insects, pollute water sources, and disrupt the natural balance in your garden. With weed tea, you're giving your plants a natural, organic boost without any negative side effects. We'd love to hear your favorite organic gardening tips in the comments section below. Don't forget to check out the video links in the description for more recipes and step-by-step guides on creating your own nutrient-rich fertilizers.